This is Josh, and today I'm going to duel Metalic Rain. He just asked me to duel him. I don't have any duel credits left because I was trying to beat Tracer AZ's maxed out Deadpool with a 3-star. And doing that, hold on a second. I need to see what character he's got. But trying to beat Tracer AZ's Deadpool, I got to be able to take health off faster than what he can put it back on. So I chose Iron Fist, but I haven't been able to beat him yet. Alright, this guy is 2,000. Alright, so that's a 330. Captain Marvel. So, go down. Been ranking some people. Oh, I'll use Juggernaut Jr. This is my little Juggernaut Jr. right here. So I'll use him and get this duel out real quick. I have Big Juggernaut up there as my avatar. I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat that. I'm gonna beat that maxed out 4-star Deadpool with a 3-star, and it's gonna be Iron Fist. I got 97 hits on him, and he still had health. So just give me a couple more days. 97 hits with Iron Fist ain't no joke either. Alright, that was today's daily duel against Metallic Rain with Juggernaut Jr.